I was so upset that my chickens didn't hatch the other day from the other old incubator. So guess what? Brand new incubator. Baby bar rock interacting with a white leather. His first day out in the yard, he was 2 weeks old. It's still laying eggs. I went down there to get eggs and feeling like, okay, around the middle of December. And I'm watching out for this rooster because this rooster is watching out for all these hens. So you gotta watch him. But as long as I know I keep that water running, that water bring up egg production. Eggs is about 70% water. I came down, you know, I've been feeding them mashed corn, laying pellets and keeping their gizzards good, cause I've been getting them oyster shit. Watch out for this rooster. Like that. But my chickens still laying eggs. Yep. They still laying eggs.